Hi everyone. Welcome back to HS Academy. In this lesson we are going to learn the difference between few and little. Yes my friend, you are very excited to learn this lesson. So, without further ado, let's start it. First of all we are going to look at the rule for few and little. Few refers to countable nouns, and is used with the plural form to indicate not many persons or things. Little refers to non-countable nouns and it also used with the singular form, to indicate that something exists only in a small amount or to a slight degree. Let's look at examples. We have got little money left in our account. In this sentence, we have used little because money is uncountable and it is small in amount. I have few friends in Paris. In this sentence we have used few because friends are countable and they are less in number too. Let's look at some more examples. Few people stopped to listen to the preacher on the corner. In this sentence we have used few because people are countable and they are less in number too. There is little that you can do about the situation some hours ago. Same here, little is used to explain work that you can do which is uncountable. I have seen few spiders over there. Same here, few is used to explain spiders, which are countable but less in number. He has little time to spend. In this example you must have noticed little is used for. Yes. You are right, for time. Although the car is old, she has few problems with it. In another example you must have noticed few is used for. Yes. You are right, for car. I have little sugar in my teacup. Again in this example you must have noticed little is used for. Yes. You are right, for tea. Hope so you are enjoying. Let's make some more fun. He doesn't have little soup to share with his siblings. Now tell us why little is used in above sentence. You are right. For soup. Marvelous. Let's do another sentence with me. We own few houses. Now tell us why few is used in above sentence. You are right. For houses. Marvelous. Thanks for watching. If you like this video please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.